everyone, this is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. Thanks for watching. I'm at my newest listing today and want to share it with you. A magnificent opportunity awaits you behind the gates of Brandon Preserve. Let's take a tour. The Sanibel model by William Ryan Homes, built in 2015, is now available. This elegant 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers an inviting floor plan and bonus room. The foyer and main living spaces feature graceful wood-look porcelain tiles and ceramic tiles in each of the bedrooms. Entertain family and friends in the formal living and dining room, or more casually in the open kitchen and great room area. The split floor plan ensures privacy to the master suite that offers a generous walk-in closet and bay windows. Located conveniently in central Brandon, close to shopping, entertainment, schools, countless restaurants, and minutes to the Crosstown Expressway, I-75, and I-4. There's no CDD and a very low HOA. This meticulously maintained home has amazing curb appeal and includes a 1-year home warranty. This is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you're interested in listing your home and having it featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at vivianresnick.com. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can find my handles below or click the red button to subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.